Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about cryptocurrency market in general and talk about the FTX situation and the conflict between two exchanges and how it could impact the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency, how far we can go in this downtrend, because all the cryptos are going pretty dramatically down, especially FTX, which is already trading about $15, and it is minus 29% compared to yesterday price, and also Solana is performing not that good. So I think many of you are aware of this situation happened between CZ Binance and Binance, who did sold FTT tokens because it was part of their initial investment in the exchange, and now they just decided to exit and did it with lump sum selling of FTT token, and many people thinking that it is coordinated attack, and even like FTX exchange and the leader also saying that it is the competitors trying to put some rumors behind, and it's all good with the exchange, and it's a lot of different talks and analytics regarding this. Even a lot of already YouTube videos are posted, and I think it's cascade effect when it's going like with all the fear more and more down, and many people are thinking about Luna classic situation and this collapse, could it happen or not. So they have some assets which they could sell at the same thing as it happened with Luna, and in this case they could and continue selling Solana, because in this case they will kind of like protect themselves in this case, and it could case like this cascade liquidations, and people are seeing like this collapse and also want to exit. People start to put their money out of FTX exchange, and I was seeing some people saying, I just tried this transaction to like to put money from FTX and withdraw it, and it worked, but I just tried for myself to make sure it works. But people, I understand, they're scared, and I do not personally have any money in this exchange, but if I have, I also try to do it. And this all makes this more and more dramatic, and I think that this is very good scenario for the last major crash in crypto. It's just my opinion. I think that I was waiting something like with Ethereum merge happening like in the bad situation, but we just didn't see anything, and I think this is kind of manipulation scenario, something just created to make this last downtrend in the market. And I think actually, so if we are looking to the chart for all the cryptos and the cycles, I hope we are around like this step with depression, and then we are going like up. Maybe I'm too optimistic, but I think that people were already happy with Bitcoin going to 22k, and it was kind of moon November, and people were prepared for very great things already and feel very optimistic, and this is going to continue in my opinion with a bit more collapse and drama around this situation and conflict between those two leaders of the exchanges. And I think it could potentially be this time. And at the same time I'm like very thinking that it's good opportunity to to buy at those prices at the last time. I don't think that the price overall will go like more down compared to what we had. So even like back in July, we did this poll in my channel asking what is Bitcoin bottom, and the majority of people were saying that it is 16-18k average. It is something I think that we already reached the bottom, and it's like it was 17k, and I think that it is something we could see here again. Maybe unfortunately some cryptos will be collapsing. I don't know what's going to happen with FTX. Could it be saved like Celsium and show it as a great pullback? It could be potentially. And I did short position in FTT token, but I just exit so early and didn't take so much profits compared what we have now. But maybe it will be saved, but I don't recommend you take any actions, buying it, selling it, or trading it because it's risky. And it's same we saw with Luna. Maybe it could give you some benefits later on if you take this trade, but I'm not sure that it's good. For me personally, I think that we will see some pullback like tomorrow, but for now at least it seems a very good discounts, and I think it's good opportunity for looking for buying some cryptos now, because like Solana minus 19%, and some other cryptos are very good corrected already, and at very good prices. Aptos is about $6, and I think that is the best price we saw since it was launched, so maybe it will be even corrected more for $5 or $4. It is something also I was talking previously, and maybe it will be also very good opportunity for buying it. Yeah, so it's now 16.6.15. Maybe it will go lower, but I think it's great. But for now, I think it will be pull back, and we will see all the prices going up then, but this conflict could be continue and increase some other changes, and maybe it could be something not that good for FTX, because they were talking about supporting $20 level, and now we see this huge collapse. And yeah, even if you are checking the comments from the people, everything compares with FTT Classic, yeah, and we are not sure how they're going to save it. Do they enough liquidity or not? It's a lot of analytics, rumors about Alameda research and other researchers talking about how good they're doing, and they're saying that we are fine, assets are fine, and all the withdrawals are working well, and there is no not problems with them. But at the same time, I understand the people who are worried, because we have all those cases already this year, and I'm not sure I want to be part of it. It was enough with Terra Classic for me personally, yeah, but at the same time it's good opportunity to buy in Bitcoin again under 20k, and Ethereum is corrected a lot. It's also looks good, and some other cryptos are discounted, and in my perspective it's good because I'm not affected by FTX exchange, and I think that we could see some drop. And again, why I'm optimistic, because we just need another correction, and people lose any belief in the crypto space. So I hope we should be in here. I don't know, maybe we should be in this depression phase. It's just my hope. So as I was waiting for some collapse, I hope it's this one, and it's not going to happen anymore. And after this happen, we will see only prices are going up, and we are continue at least to accumulation phase, and nothing wrong could happen more. But just my opinion, and yeah, just I think that it's good opportunity for look at some cryptos you were looking. For example, for me it is Aptos. After the airdrop which I was selling for USDT, and I want to buy it back once I see some good prices, and for me it's $4-5, maybe even less, but I think it's good opportunity. So I'm positive with this actually, yeah. And it is all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.